Today's event is Rock the Vote. It is our senior push to get students registered to vote. We want to get them acclimated to the political situation, let them get to know their candidates and make good informed decisions. I've got so many students that really are interested in politics and they want to make a change. They want to be involved. So that's kind of makes you feel good because you don't want citizens that don't care about what's going on in the world. So I think we are getting them prepared.
I think there's a big movement of kind of like apathy recently, with my generation at least. I ask a lot of my friends, and they go, oh no, why would I do that? And it's kind of awful because it's like, well, these policies that you don't like, they're getting pushed because you're not voting. So this kind of meeting that we're having almost is like a wake-up call to them, I think, where it's like, I can vote. That's like the whole point of this. I'm meant to be able to vote. So being able to meet these politicians, because a lot of times, you can kind of see politicians like in a loftier place almost, where it's like, oh, I can't really talk to them easily. But now they're just here, they're just people. It feels a lot easier to talk to them and even express their own ideas to them.
I think it's really important just because me personally, I thought it was a lot more like steps and stuff to sign up to vote. And I think events like this help people who are feeling overwhelmed. It's your right to vote, you should use it. It's really not that hard to sign up and it's really important that we exercise that right.
It's important for events like this and many others that go on within the community because you want to be able to see face and see what you're voting for and not just words that have been put on the paper, words that have been said on the TV. You want to have a personal interaction with that person you possibly could be voting for. And with that being said, it may not be the person you vote for, but you still want to have a general idea of what is going on within the community to have an idea to vote.
They are the future and they are going to be the ones that are going to be making decisions. They need to get active, they need to vote, they need to help change if they don't like what's going on. The only way they can do that is to voice their opinion, and one way to do that is to register to vote.